Don't know how many times I'm going to have to try and take this clip, but basically I've got lots of tracking done. More or less all the extra sockets in for the dishwasher, for the washing machine and tumble dryer, the light switch in there, the light switch in the office, the sockets in the living room, and tracked through, messed about, cutting loads of these corners again, tidied that one up, cut them. They still need chiseled off so that they're not sitting too, they're not right as is, so I need to get them trimmed up just so I'm starting off on a good surface plaster wise. One track left to do, and then one socket to drill through here, and I think that's most of that heavy sort of work done, but I'm tired now, so I'm going to come here now and start flying through the house, getting some of these electrical grounds work done for the lights. Just a wee quick look, guys, at what I'm actually doing. So put these counter buttons on here, I have loads of lath, and get them well screwed, and then cutting some timber. Oh. And then they just go up flush, or even slightly behind's okay. Ideally you want them flush so that if I do put a big centerpiece on here, I can screw and fix absolutely anywhere and nothing's going to move. So I'd rather do all the 8 bits extra now so it's easier later on. Also it works out center for the wire comes through. So here comes the big test, guys. So it can hold my body weight, so a piece of plaster, no bother. Just continue on and actually get it all finished here. That's that one complete, guys. Left the hole again for the electrics, and just for a bit of an example here. That'll be about the middle there. Probably more like that. So as you can see, anywhere a screw there, I'm going to catch pretty well on timbers. We'll be about there. So good job so far, guys. We'll crack on and get the rest of the house done here, and probably give you a wee visual after and see how I get on. That's number 2 done. A wee bit of ply, you see. Did a wee circle there just to check out roughly where the radius of a cornice or a ceiling rose would be. I'm still contemplating putting a few blocks in on the end. It's still my luck, that's where I would screw and get nothing. But at the same time, I'll probably not be that close to the edge screwing anyway, so I might just let it go. Again, that will only be probably the likes of that one in there, so it's not going to be the biggest. I'm going to jump on to the dining room one here, and the boss has said treat that wall and that wall, just treat it like a room and centre it off its own shape. So I'm not going to be centering it off any doors or anything. I'm just going to go from that wall there across to that corner, and half that. I already have the other one here worked out from the other day. I need to double check that. I think it says 58.5. So. Right, guys, that's me for the day. Dinner's almost ready, and I need to get a quick shower beforehand because covered in dust. But I do have this one all marked out. That's literally exactly halfway is right here, coming straight down there, which is good for the cable, so the cable can just come down. And then I've just marked roughly where I need to go. Sort of went a wee bit bigger there. I think like a foot either side, so it gives you a two foot in length in total is more than enough to catch. Is it possibly will use something as big as that for there, but I was also thinking something maybe slightly oval for there, but who knows. I could change my mind and just have spotlights everywhere. Either way, I'm going to put these grounds in to be safe. It also still serves a purpose of it's a lovely screw for the electrical work regardless. But yeah, that's another day done. hopefully get a bit more done tomorrow.
What we doing live? Echoes in eternity.
Like and subscribe to macplastering.